Let's talk about your car's crankshaft position sensor. If your car's been acting up and you're not sure why, this little component could be the culprit. Stick around to learn everything you need to know about its function, location, and the telltale signs of failure. What is a crankshaft position sensor? This sensor is a critical part of your engine's management system. The crankshaft position sensor sends precise data to the ECU, which uses it to calculate the position of the pistons and the speed of the crankshaft. This allows the ECU to adjust the timing of the spark and fuel injection, making sure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Without accurate data from this sensor, your engine would struggle to perform correctly. The crankshaft position sensor is typically located near the bottom of the engine block, close to the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. Depending on your vehicle's make and model, it might be positioned differently, but it's usually accessible with a bit of effort. Symptoms of a bad crankshaft position sensor. If this sensor starts to fail, you'll likely notice one or more of the following signs. Symptom 1. Difficulty starting. A failing crankshaft position sensor can send erratic signals to the ECU, making it hard for the engine to start. You might find yourself turning the key several times before the engine finally kicks in. Symptom 2. Engine misfires. If the sensor isn't providing accurate data, the ECU can't time the spark and fuel injection correctly. This can lead to misfires, where the fuel doesn't ignite at the right moment, causing your engine to run rough. Symptom 3. Stalling. Stalling is another common issue. A faulty crankshaft position sensor can cause the engine to stall, especially when idling or at low speeds. This is not only inconvenient but can also be dangerous in traffic. Symptom 4. Poor acceleration. When the crankshaft position sensor isn't working properly, your car might struggle to accelerate smoothly. You'll notice a lack of power and hesitation when you press the gas pedal. What to do if your crankshaft position sensor goes bad? The first step is to confirm the problem. Use an OBDII scanner to read the error codes from your car's computer. A bad crankshaft position sensor will usually throw a P0335 code. This will help confirm that the sensor is the issue. Once you know the sensor is bad, you'll need to locate it. Depending on your vehicle model, it might be near the timing cover, behind the engine block, on the transmission bell housing, or close to the crankshaft itself. Now it's time to replace the sensor. First, disconnect the battery to avoid electrical shock. Then, remove the sensor's electrical connector and unscrew the mounting bolts. Carefully remove the old sensor and install the new one in its place, securing it with bolts and reconnecting the electrical connector. After replacing the sensor, reconnect the battery and start the engine. If everything was done correctly, the car should run smoothly again. Don't forget to use your OBDII scanner to clear any error code stored in the computer. If you can't do these, take it to your mechanic. And there you have it! Thank you for watching and make sure you stay in the loop for our next video.